Hi, my name is Ray. I am staying at Syowa Station in Antarctica now from 2021 to 22. This time, I would like to show what it is like to walk in a severe storm like blizzard in Antarctica. I hope you enjoy. I took this movie on my way to my workplace from my residence building. This time, two people were following behind me, and when I'm standing still, I was waiting for them. And there is a snowdrift just in front of me, but visibility was so bad, and I didn't notice that I stumbled here. It was such a severe storm, I could barely see anything. For this one, I was walking from my workplace to the residence building. In most cases, when the storm comes, the wind, very strong wind, blows from the east direction. And place where is exposed to sea ice, a powerful wind and snow and ice hits us. And around the station, we have flags like this to know the position or way. And between the flags, rope is set like this. These ropes are not for grabbing. They are for not getting lost. When the storm gets too severe, it is prohibited to go outside of the building, so we cannot go out. But below a certain threshold, we move under the certain restrictions. An interesting thing is that every time I take this kind of movies, snow and ice accrete on the surface of my camera, and it gets harder to capture. So how was it? Or how did you feel? I hope you got a sense of the severe weather in Antarctica. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye.